Hey y'all, today I decided I'm going to skip the deep conditioning step of my wash day routine and just skip straight to applying the leave-in conditioner. So I'm using Curlsmith products this whole video because they sent them for another campaign. So I'm just going to try it out. So right now I'm using the coarse strength shampoo, and now I'm using the multitasking conditioner, which can be used as a rinse out, deep conditioner, or a leave-in conditioner. So let's go ahead and see what happens. So the coarse strength shampoo was really soft on my hair. My hair felt clean, but it didn't feel stripped, so I really like that. So now I'm applying the multitasking conditioner, and this is actually a conditioner that is a 3-in-1. It's a leave-in, a rinse out, or a deep conditioner, right? So today I'm going to use it as a leave-in and try to attempt to do like a wash and style. So like I'm skipping the deep condition step today. So I wash my hair with the coarse strength shampoo, and now I'm applying the multitasking conditioner. This one has great consistency. It just smooths right into the hair. So if you have thick hair, it'll smooth right into the strands. And when I say thick hair, I mean thick density, because I know some people don't like to get the terms mixed up. Alright, I'm basically done the back already. Alright, so that's half of my hair. I mean, 2/3 of my hair. I'm really excited for this routine because I just like cutting down time. Like I shampoo and now I'm applying my leave-in / deep conditioner, but I'm not rinsing it out and then applying something else. You get what I'm saying? Almost done. Raking it through. Raking it through helps clump up the curls. It helps work in the conditioner. So now we've put in the leave-in. So now I'm going to twist using the Shape Up Curl Gel. Sorry, Shape Up Aqua Gel. Comes in the bottle like this. It smells really nice. I already smelled it. Yeah, so the only thing is I need to decide what I'm doing because I wanted to do like some hairstyles, like cute natural hairstyles ideas. And I think doing a twist out is probably best, right? Okay, I'm just gonna do a regular twist out. Yeah, so let's break this up into sections. All right, so I have 3 sections. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so let's start here. I'm probably gonna make them chunky. So here's the gel, nice and light. Again, smells good. It has a light natural scent, so it's not overpowering. Then I'm gonna detangle it and twist. You really don't need that much of the gel. Okay, looking good, looking good. I may have put too much conditioner. Now this is my type of routine. Shampoo and then go straight to twisting. Alright, so I'm done. I really like the just shampoo and then style type of routine. So I'm excited to see how it looks tomorrow and how it feels. And then I'm gonna do some cute styles. Hey y'all, so it's the next day. The twists are completely dry, so now it's time to take them down. I'm gonna start in the back, just clip up the rest. Okay, you can see there are no flakes. Look at how juicy they look. So let me just take them apart, take it apart lightly. So this is a chunky twist out, so it's definitely gonna have some volume today. The key is to coil the ends so that you have a defined look but you still have your volume. And it's very soft. The hair is very soft. It's very important to make sure your hair is 100% dry. If it's not 100% dry and it's damp, you're gonna have frizz. Okay, so here, so most of my twists are out. Okay, y'all, so this is it. It looks so nice. I love having volume on day one and definition and moisture. My hair is soft. Okay, so one, I love that I could just jump straight from shampoo to the leave-in conditioner. That was my favorite thing about this routine. And my hair definitely was soft for like the remainder of the week. So this really was a really good routine. So thumbs up this video if it was helpful. Check out more videos like this on my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one.